ladies and gentlemen, Roro 82 here, your railroad archaeologist, who today has some good news for you. Remember last week or 2 weeks ago when I showed you guys a Chrome Avenue crossing where they placed all the crossing equipment after they made the 4-lane highway? Well, I thought that was just included in the plans for the 4-lane highway and had nothing to do with the railroad coming back, but this video here might show me otherwise. So if something happens once, it's a coincidence. But if it happens twice, you know, it kind of makes you start questioning, like, maybe there might be more than meets the eye. So in 2019, I filmed a video in this location that showed on one side of the crossing, the equipment was one mast alone, no crossbucks, no signals. On the other side, it was just the mast and crossbucks. When I went back there to film the update video that I'm about to show you, I didn't realize that they had put in the new signals and brackets and everything. So there might be some cause for optimism here. Let me know what you think, guys. I look forward to reading your comments. Check out the before pictures. I'm gonna include the link down below for the video I shot here in 2019. Leave me a comment. I look forward to reading your opinions, and enjoy the video. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Roro 82 here, continuing the tour on the CSX Homestead Subdivision. Believe it or not, there lies some tracks here. This is not what I want you to see. This is what I want you to see. Yep. Okay, so what you just saw, this is facing southwest and this is facing northeast. Now, the previous video to this, you saw that they put up new signals and crossing equipment. However, these are still folded downward. Well, I guess, yeah, these aren't new. These are the original ones. You can tell that they have some things on them and whatnot. These are incandescents too. Okay, so the grade crossing, and I remember last year, so this is northeast. Last year I was able to walk that. Such is not going to be the case this year. I would need, at the very least, a machete, a weed whacker, and an AK-47 because I do not know what I'm going to find in there. Incandescent WC Hayes lights. Safe Tran signal base. The dot. No, not the dot. Emergency contact info. Sacrifice to the saints. This is about as far as I'm gonna go. Smells absolutely horrible here with all the dead sacrifices. Yeah, you can see there's no way I'm gonna go in there. The relay case, Southwest 232nd Street. I'm gonna include a Google Maps link to this location. It has no power to it. So I don't know what to think. I mean, these signs are obvious. It doesn't look like it has any sort of life left. But if they've installed crossing equipment a mile north of here, not a mile, just maybe a block north of here, maybe there's hope. I don't know. As you see a tie plate. This looks like it might have been an old milepost sign. The wooden post. Hear a big truck coming. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Okay, guys, please sub if you haven't. Leave me a comment. Thank you for coming along. Take care. See you next week.